YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Easy HVAC. Hope you're all having a great day. Today we have a unit that is off. Actually tripped on a smoke alarm. So this is a part of our smoke alarm system. The duct part, or the actual duct detector, is in the fan blower motor section. So if you get this alarm, what you can do is you come over here and you see this button right here is a reset button. So we can press the reset button and see if we can clear this code. There we go. Alright, so the system just came back on. But after resetting, what I like to do is come over here, turn the unit off. So let's look at the actual duct detector part, smoke detector. Alright, so there's our detector. So typically when I get that alarm, I like to come here and just make sure, check all of the wiring, make sure everything is nice and tight, as well as there's a long pipe that runs into the supply, or I'm sorry, into the return, and the pipe has small holes for the air to go through, and that's kind of how the detector is able to read, if there's any issues, if there's any smoke or anything like that. So let's undo this. Screws. So there is the actual smoke detector. Just inspect your wiring, look for any kinks or damaged wiring. It's tight. Those connections are good. Now what you can do is you can take the long tube out, like I said. You're gonna have to move that tab out of it. Okay, so in order to take it out, you have to just move this tab back, and then you can pull it out with whatever you want to use. So here is the tube. So these are the holes that I was talking about. Air passes through the holes, and that's how the detector is able to get, you know, the type of reading. But if these holes get plugged with the dirt or dust, it can sometimes trip the alarm. So what I like to do when I have an alarm code is just give this pipe a good cleaning. Oh, there's my brush. Okay, so we can just take your brush. Just, you know, dust it. Make sure it's nice and clean. Then you can put it back. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you've never dealt with smoke detectors before, you know, this is something that you can do to make sure that the pipe stays clean, just regular maintenance. And then of course clean, you know, if you notice that the actual detector is dirty, give it a good dusting. And then you can put it back and turn the unit back on. But yeah, guys, just wanted to share that with you today. Hope you enjoyed. If you like the content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all future videos. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one.